This is how to adjust macOS Ventura lock screen and the sleeping settings, so let's get into it. First of all, you just need to click on the Apple icon at the very top left corner. Click on the system settings here. So once you are here in your system settings, make sure that you are using the updated version of your macOS. Here in the system settings, you have to just scroll down in the left menu and then click on the lock screen. And at the right side of this interface, you have to just proceed to change these settings to your preference. Like you just need to change the amount in minutes from 1 to never in the first three options. Right after that, it will trigger the start screensaver in your macOS. For example, turn display off on power adapter. When inactive, you have to just set it for 2 hours or 1 hour or set it to never. Similarly, in the turn display off on battery, when inactive, you have to just again set it to anytime, like you can select for 1 hour. From here, you can easily adjust your macOS Ventura lock screen or the sleep timing without any problem. So that's all for this video. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.